morning, class. I just wanted to run through this worksheet with you. So go ahead and make sure you have the worksheet reviewing slope and intercepts in various forms out in front of you. And what we're going to do is we're going to go through this one by one, looking at the different problems and how to solve them. So the first thing I want you to do is for number one, I want you to answer the question, what is the slope and what is the y-intercept for number one? So go ahead and answer that on your paper. All right, let's go ahead and see how we kind of work through this real quick. Trying not to put my hand in the way so you can't see, so I will kind of walk you through on here what we're looking at. The 6 right here is the slope. And if you look at it, it is the coefficient of the x value. It's the number in front of the x value when it's in slope-intercept form. Okay? The y-intercept is negative 12. It is 0, negative 12. The y-intercept is the constant at the end by itself. And then the x-intercept is not visible here, so we didn't ask you that in the beginning, but I do want to show you that the x-intercept is when y or f of x is 0, so we can plug a 0 in for f of x, and then we can solve this to find our x-intercept. If you work through and you solve it, you get x equals 2 or the coordinate 2, 0. Go ahead and work on number 2 now, and I want you again to tell me what the slope and the y-intercept are. For number 2, when we're looking at number 2, the first thing you want to do is find your changes. Find your changes. Your rise is your change in your y. Your run is your change in your x. And our slope then is the rise over run. So in this case, it's 3 over 1. 3 divided by 1 is 3, so our slope is 3. Our y-intercept we can see right from the table is 0, 12. So when x equals 0, so 0, 12. And the x-intercept is not on the table. The x-intercept would be when y is 0, which we could maybe work the table up to find, but it's not visible. Go ahead and work on number 3. And I would like you to answer the question, what is the slope and what is the y-intercept for number 3? All right, let's go ahead and look at number 3 real quick. Number 3, for number 3, when you're given a graph, the first thing you want to do is you want to make a table. All right, so go ahead and look at where these coordinates meet in the corners and then make this table right here. And the table, then we can do just like we did number 2. We'll find the rise and we'll find the run. And the rise was 2 and the run was 1, so our slope is 2. And notice that the slope is positive, right? It's going up from left to right. If it was negative, it would be going down from left to right, and you'd have a negative value here. Your y-intercept you can see in the table is 0, 1, negative 1. You can also see that in the graph as 0, negative 1. I'm sorry, in the graph it's supposed to be right here, not right here, at 0, negative 1. And then our x-intercept is a little bit hard to see, but our x-intercept is when y is 0, and our x-intercept is going to be at 0, negative 0.5. That's actually positive 0.5. Sorry about that. All right, go ahead and do number 4. Do number 4 right here, and tell me what the slope and the y-intercept are. All right, so for number 4, sorry about that. For number 4, let's go ahead and talk about the slope and the y-intercept. Those are the two quick ones you should be able to pick up. The slope is the coefficient of x. It's the value in front of the x. Don't forget to take the negative with that. The y-intercept is the constant. It's the number that doesn't have the variable when we're looking at it in slope-intercept form. So it's 0, 7. Okay, the x-intercept is a little bit more complicated, but just like we did in number 1, you can take and plug a 0 in for f of x or y and solve to get the x value, 7 over 3, comma 0, which would be 2 1/3, comma 0. Go ahead and do number 5 now. Number 5. And I would like you to just tell me what the slope is from number 5. So looking at number 5, The one thing that I always like to do when I'm given two coordinates